Join me as I challenge myself to uncover Amsterdam's hidden gems that even the locals might not know about. Amsterdam, the city of canals, art, and history. It's famous for its stunning architecture, world-class museums, and vibrant culture. But, let's be honest, we all know about the Rijksmuseum, the Anne Frank House, and the famous canals. There are, however, hidden gems waiting to be discovered, tucked away from the usual tourist paths. Tourists often find themselves stuck in a loop, visiting the same major landmarks and missing out on the unique experiences that Amsterdam has to offer. They wander along the canals, take a boat tour, and visit the big museums, but there's so much more to see. Amsterdam's neighborhoods, like De Pijpenust, are full of character and stories. From quaint shops to cozy cafes, there's a whole different side of Amsterdam that remains unexplored. As you wander through Amsterdam, you stumble upon charming spots that are off the beaten path. Take, for instance, the Binnenhof, a peaceful courtyard hidden behind a facade of historic buildings. It's hard to find, but totally worth it. You can almost hear the whispers of the Beguines, the lay women who once lived here. Another hidden gem is the Hortus Botanicus, one of the oldest and most beautiful botanical gardens in the world. With over 6,000 plant species, it's a little slice of paradise. Then there's the iFilm Museum, located on the north bank of the IJ Lake, which boasts an incredible collection of film equipment, posters, and even offers boat tours. One spot that really stands out is the Micropia Museum. It's located within the Amsterdam Canal Ring and is the world's first and only micro-museum. You get to see the microscopic world up close: bacteria, viruses, and all sorts of tiny life forms that will blow your mind. Imagine walking through Amsterdam's underbelly, where science and art collide. That's what makes Micropia so captivating. Amsterdam's hidden gems offer a chance to experience the city like a local. In conclusion, there's more to Amsterdam than just its famous landmarks. By exploring beyond the usual tourist spots, you'll discover unique experiences that will make your visit truly unforgettable. If you've got a favorite hidden gem in Amsterdam, I'd love to hear about it. Leave a comment below. Also, be sure to check out my other travel videos for more adventures and off-the-beaten-path explorations.